everyone, I'm Steve Kennard and this is Jason Hood of the Kennard Residential Group. We're here today to welcome you to this wonderful new listing on scenic Newtown Road in Littleton, Massachusetts. I love the location of this house where it feels like you're living in the country, yet you're only a few minutes from shopping, restaurants, bars, 495 Route 2, and the commuter rail that travels to North Station and the Red Line. This house features 4 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, has hardwood floors on the entire second floor, vinyl replacement windows, and a young roof. Now, Jason Hood, I have to ask you, what are some of your favorite features of this property?
Thanks, Steve. I love the setting of this property. It has great curb appeal. There's conservation land directly across the street. And as you know, I love a house with a screened-in porch, and this house is a beautiful screened-in porch that looks over a nice big landscape backyard.
If you would like any more information on this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope you're having a great day.